These are Kabanosy, a Polish snack stick flavored with nutmeg, caraway, and black pepper. They are the best snack sticks I've ever had, of maybe 40 varieties that I've made. They're fantastic. Let's see how to make them. Okay, we're going to cut this up. Let's talk about meat handling. Until it's taken out of the bag, it's pretty sterile. It's got a long shelf life. The number one source of bacteria, pathogens, Listeria, Salmonella, E. coli, that's going to get on that meat is going to come from our hands. It's all over your skin, even when you wash them. All right, so if you're going to cut up your meat like this and use it for something like salami, where it has a long period where things can grow, absolutely be wearing gloves. Okay, while we're cutting up other meat, we let this stuff sit in the freezer to keep chilled. And here you can see how this is frozen, but still I can just barely squeeze it. Perfect amount of freeze. Okay, there's 4.5 kilograms. And I'm about to just add a little bit of ice, ground ice in to clear that out, and then I'll just scoop the ice off the top. That gets the meat out of there and cleans the holes for you. All right, you can see it coming out. See how it just cleans those holes right out? Now I'll scoop that ice off so I don't add any extra water to the meat sticks. All right, pull that out of there. You can see most of the ice stays behind and most of my holes are all cleaned out. Okay, there's the spices, just salt, black pepper, nutmeg, and caraway, a little bit of monk fruit sweetener instead of sugar, Cure 1, plus some sodium erythorbate Cure Accelerator, so I can mix stuff and cook all in one day, and a little bit of this is called Sure Gel from Walton's, but basically it's just a binder product with non-fat dry milk powder and a little bit of sodium phosphate. The batch in 2 equal parts, which both fit into my KitchenAid 6-quart food mixer. Okay, it's been going for about a minute and a half. You can see you get a whole bunch and it doesn't fall off. Nice and sticky, sticks to your hand, or in this case this, so it's ready. You don't want to overmix Kabanosy. All right, here's another one of the things I like about the KitchenAid. I can just clean everything off really quick. Just take a spatula, get everything off there, and then pretty much just get it all ready to fall right out of there and plop it directly into here. Let's do that. Look at that. It comes out nice all together. No air pockets, no mess. So I got a 25-pound mixer, but I actually like using this when I can get away with it. Just because of how easy it is to do the cleanup. Sheep casings here, and these are 18 to 22 millimeter I use. They make a great casing. I'll pull out 2 of those and start soaking them in some water. I'm just going to show that those sheep casings are just packed in a bag with salt. They last for years and years and years packed like that. And when you pull them out, they're on a tube like this. I'm going to pull them off the tube and feed them onto my stuffer. All right, we got the sausage casing on there, tied off the end. This is the right length for my smoker. I'm going to lay these on grates back and forth. It's easier than hanging them for me. And here we go. Sometimes the sausage gets sticking a little bit, and so it helps. I mean, the casing sticks on there, so it helps to have just a little bit of water. And this is a little bit sticking on there a little bit more than usual, so I'm going to take my gloves off so I can feel this tension on there so I don't have a blowout. And I'm going to go right into the smoker with this, so that's fine. Okay, there it is, 2.5 kilograms. You can see how much didn't actually go in, stuck in the bottom of the stuffer, which is a bit of a pain, but I'll make a hamburger patty out of that. It'll be good. All right, there we are in the smoking it. I got the temperature set for 145. I'll do that for half an hour to dry them off. Then I'll bump it up to 150, then 170 for the rest of the cook. Okay, there they are, all racked up on the shelves with 4 temperature probes. Here's what they look like after 11 hours total in the smoker. 1 to 3 hours of that had smoke from about 7 ounces of cherry wood. The first hour was 145 and then brought it up to 165 for another 10 hours. And that's the smoker temperature, just drying out the sticks. The final internal temperature of the sticks with 4 temperature probes was 143. So it was pretty slow and it never really came up to a match, just drying the sticks out. If you like this kind of content and enjoy anything in the video, I'd sure appreciate a thumbs up, like, and consider subscribing to the channel. I let these sit, dry out, and bloom for about an hour. And now I've just lined them up and cut off the ends. You can see how great the meat texture looks in there. And I just square them up a little bit and vacuum seal them up. I've got this Pro Vac from Walton's that puts a very nice 4mm, 5mm seal. Best snack sticks I've ever had. Hope you enjoy making them.